Hello, my lovelies. Welcome to my channel and my art studio. I am Mrs. B, your Catholic art teacher. Last week, we drew a series of lines looking something like this. And with these lines, we created our national flower, the bois coib. And here you have it all coloured in, looking lovely. And I saw some of your work and it was fabulous. It was really, really good. Well, today, boys and girls, we're going to draw, as we're in the independent season, we're going to draw something that we would buy in the restaurant. It is a delicacy and people eat this. So let's get started. I hope you'll be able to guess what it is when we're done. So draw a line going from side to side all the way across your book. Then I'd like you to draw a shape that looks something like this. Let's do it again. It's curved and it's almost flattened at the end. Curved, flattened. Let's make it more narrow. Curved and flattened. Very good. And then we're going to draw some more lines going like this. So it's a series of lines or curved squares like this. Boys and girls, we're also going to draw some very similar to this shape, but it's just a bit shorter and it looks more like a square. So we're going to draw that, but it's more curved at the end. Try not to have it pointed like that. And we're going to draw something looking like a triangle, but it goes in like that. Do it again. So it's a triangle with some zigzags on the end. It's like a triangle, but it has a zigzag on the end like that. Actually looks like flippers. Let's see what the animal is. Can you guess what animal it is yet? And then on this particular line that I want you to do is kind of rectangle like that, going on a slant, and little squares like that. Let's do the slant going across this way, I guess, and then we draw 3 squares, and then last we're going to draw a C shape like this, and then we're going to draw in an L shape zigzag lines. So it goes like that and goes across like that. Let's do it again. A C shape, then we're going to draw an L shape, but instead it's a line, it's going to be zigzag line. Let's do it the other way. So we're going to have this going this way. We're going to do that L shape again, but it's going to be zigzagged. One more time, boys and girls. So we're going to have that C shape. We're going to have a zigzag line going like this and a zigzag line like that. Well done. So, using these lines, can you guess what we're going to draw? Well, let's see if you're right, boys and girls. Let's get started on that drawing. All right, boys and girls, we're going to begin with like the beginning of this rectangle, but we're going to cut it in the middle to put in 2 kind of square shapes like that. Then we're going to continue this, and we're going to draw it like that. So it's a continuation of that. Then under there, we're going to draw about 3, maybe 3, like we did before, 2, 3, and then underneath it's going to get a little bit smaller and curved. It's going to be 3 again. And at the end of this square, we're going to draw a little rectangle very fine like that. We're going to draw another one going like this, very fine as we can. And on the end of the rectangle, we're going to draw that shape. Remember the C shape, the backward C shape, and then we're going to have an L, but zigzag, zigzag down, and then zigzag across. Let's do it again here. We're going to have a C, and then we're going to have a zigzag going down here, and a zigzag going across here. Can you guess what it is? All right, it has a little line going like this. We have to be, we try to be as fine as we can. Try to get it as close together as possible. And then we'll draw a circle going here and a circle going here. It looks like he's got glasses on. And then you do something like an eyebrow. And then we're going to have this like that. And boys and girls, we're going to draw little rectangles going up like this. We're going to draw 4 of them. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we're going to have it connecting like this, going down 2, 3, and 4. Let's do it again this way. This time we're going like this. The rectangle goes like this. Then we have another one coming like this, and we have a shorter one like that, and then it's going down like this, down like this, down like this, and a short one like that. Good job. And boys and girls, not forgetting what we have to do here. We're going to draw something going like this, all the way through like that. Then we're going to have, and we're going to go all the way down like this. We're going to do it again. Then we're going to have another one. Good job. Boys and girls, can you tell me what this is? You got it. It's a lobster. So let's do the sea like it's just jumping out of the sea to say hello to everybody. And we have ourselves a lobster. We eat this as a delicacy in Dominica. It's a shellfish, and usually during the Creole season we eat lobsters, and yeah, it's during the independence, it's a wonderful time to share and be with your families and have exotic foods like that. So I can't wait to see your drawing. Don't forget to colour it in, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye! Happy Independence!